What up, people? So, it's D-Day. What are we picking up?
We are picking up a 2024 718 Spyder RS.
Are you excited?
Am I excited? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm excited, all right. And nervous, too. I got to write a big check.
Oh, you didn't pay for it yet?
I haven't paid for it. No, I haven't paid for it. Oh, my gosh. I'm so excited.
Where's the car?
It's way in the back, so we got to go meet Manfred, as they call it, the Porsche ambassador or the salesman. So he'll show us back there. They got a big warehouse storage facility in the back that actually used to be a Walmart.
Yes, this is the price, the adjustment, the dock fee, tag. She has a 10 tag for me.
And where my signature is.
You will get a copy of everything.
Yes. As I remember in the past.
Yes.
Yes, this is Manfred. Manfred is our Porsche ambassador here at Champion Motorsport, or Champion Porsche. And Manfred has been my go-to guy on ordering, getting the allocation for the Spyder RS, and then working with me on the build. And so I've been very grateful to for Manfred to, sticking with me and moving through the process. And she's here, and now we're getting to the final steps. Make the payment, do all the paperwork. Then we have the option of maybe unwrapping the car here. So stay tuned. Oh, I already got one though with the 23.
I know. Now you got another two. And custom stitching. The lady stitched it all for you.
That I don't have on the other one.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. No, very, very excited.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Matt, homie, what's going on, my brother? How are you?
Welcome to the work station.
You know, right? We're finally here at Champion.
Oh. Ooh. What color is that?
Oh. Looks like Sepia Brown to me.
Okay. I'll see you on the other side.
Okay, thanks, Manfred. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So Richard's having a little issue now because, it's been a while he's had an automatic car, but he keeps going for the clutch.
There's the clutch, and I'm braking to the shifter, seeing if I'm in neutral.
You're going towards McDonald's.
Yeah, I went the wrong way.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see some of the inventory.
Okay. There you go. Awesome.
She's here.
This looks kind of funny.
Well, with all the stuff on it, it does.
Is there actually a car in there?
Looking good. There's plenty of room on that side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She is officially home. Now we get to unwrap this thing.
I ordered the pizza.
Ooh, pizza. This man's about to unwrap his car.
Hi, everybody. My good friend Enrique.
Oh yeah, Enrique. I'm glad we decided to unwrap it here.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
yeah. As opposed to back down the Champion. Let me pop the front hood.
Contact. Sensation. Contact. Sensation. Contact.
What are we doing there?
Sensation.
Oh, slide. Yeah, just slide it.
Contact.
Nice.
Sensation.
So simple.
Oh, look at the carbon fiber. Look at that.
Just gonna put it to the back of the car. I got it. So certainly, I kind of keep things, and that's why we're kind of doing this carefully, because I'll certainly hold on to the other wrapping. Not that I'll ever use it again, but it is part of the car. It's part of what came with the car. So for me, it's nothing that I throw away. I use it as a part of a collection of items for the car. So just like that. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. That's good. We'll let that down a little bit. Look at that.
So when we're done, we're gonna go on the highway and do 9,000 RPM.
No, in all actuality, I'll have to do a little more research. But some of the forums are saying, 2,000 mile break-in and nothing over 4,000 RPM. There certainly has to be a certain break-in period. You just can't go out and throttle in. It's not just the engine, the transmission, the brakes, everything needs to be settled in, certainly over time.
I agree.
Okay, so now we'll roll it on back. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Carbon on the wing too.
Okay. I don't see where's
This.
and done.
More yellow stitching, more carbon fiber. I can't wait to you guys, man. Yeah, tape you up and kidnap you and I steal your car. What else you got? Hold on. All right, let's soak it in. Still got some more unwrapping and cleaning to do, but what do you think, Richard?
I think she's really dirty.
Yeah, she's a little
There's
dirty.
just sucking dirt all over the place. But
Got some watermarks and stuff, but it's okay. We wanted to unwrap it, so it's not gonna be perfectly clean because they didn't touch it. And big respect to Champion, right, for doing that, making sure the car wasn't unwrapped. They took really good care of us. Shout out to Manfred for being such a cool dude, and everyone for treating this man with great hospitality.
and Enrique.
Oh yeah, Enrique. All right, Richard, finish us up.
Oh, you're gonna put me on the spot.
Throw you under the
Well,
bus.
It's been a long time coming. So I can't say anything more than I'm delighted to, finally have her here. But we got certainly a lot of detail work that we need to do. So she's going to go to K2 Motor Cars next week for paint correction and a cleaning, new car cleaning. And then from that point, we'll do the PPF on the car, probably be a couple weeks after that. And then from that point, we're going to try and get some miles on her. I've got to determine as far as break-in period goes. I've got different stories, so I've got to fine-tune that, and we're just going to slowly start breaking her in. And then from that point, hopefully get to the point where we can get to that 9,000 RPM red line and that awesome sound. So super excited to have it here, and glad that you guys are still with us. And stay tuned for our future post for the Spyder RS.
Awesome. Peace.
Peace.